Now coming to the next example. Okay, observe example 10. So here we have 4 questions. In the figure, find first question is angle PRS, and secondly angle PTS, and third one is angle STR, and fourth question is angle PRQ. And here the picture is given like this. P, Q, R, S, T. And here they have mentioned that angle P is 35 degrees, angle Q is 50 degrees, and angle S is 45 degrees. So these values are given in the figure, and we need to find out angle PRS, PTS, STR, and angle PRQ. Okay, now observe the first question. Angle PRS we have to find. Just observe that which angle they are asking. Angle PRS. This angle they are asking. And observe, consider the triangle PQR. PRS is an exterior angle, yes or no? So this is exterior angle for this triangle. Exterior angle, observe. It is an exterior angle for this triangle. So at R we are talking, means it is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, means 35 plus 50. That is nothing but here we will get 85 degrees. Okay. So from the figure, PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Okay. Therefore, angle PRS will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, that is RPQ plus PQR. RPQ plus angle PQR. Angle P plus angle Q. Since from exterior angle property. Okay, here one by one we will do the questions. Now therefore, angle PRS will be equal to angle RPQ is equal to 35 degrees from the figure, and PQR is equal to 50 degrees. That's it. So angle PRS will be equal to 85 degrees. That's all. This is the first question answer. So now observe the second problem, angle PTS they are asking. PTS. Again, observe PTS also is an exterior angle for triangle RTS, otherwise TRS. Okay, this angle they are asking. And here we know two opposite interior angles, that is 85 plus 45, which is nothing but 130. So here you will get 130 degrees. Same exterior angle property only. So second question also I am finishing now only. From the figure, angle PTS is an exterior angle of triangle. Here triangle is different. TRS. Okay. PRS is exterior angle for this triangle, and this is exterior angle for this triangle, TRS. Okay. So use the exterior angle property. Therefore, angle PTS is equal to angle TRS, sum of two opposite angles. At T we are having the angle, exterior angle. Angle R plus angle S we must take. Understand? So angle PTS is equal to angle TRS plus angle RSC. Since from exterior angle property, again we are using exterior angle property only. So that's it. What will get? Angle PTS also equal to TRS. Just now we have founded PRS is equal to TRS. Same, both are same. That is 85 degrees plus RSC is equal to 45 degrees. So completely 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 10 is 130 degrees. Therefore, angle PTS is equal to 130 degrees. That's all. So here we are getting 130 degrees. Now two questions finished, and for third problem STR they are asking. Angle STR. This side we have to find. Observe these two are linear pairs. Otherwise use angle sum property, you will get this value. So linear pair 130 plus 50 equal to 180. So here we will get 50 degrees. And for fourth question PRQ. PRQ, same. Here also we can use either linear pair, otherwise angle sum property. So 180 minus 85. Otherwise 50 plus 35 plus this angle is equal to 180. Like that also we can do, no problem. Okay, first let us finish these two. After that remaining two we will discuss. So here I am writing angle PTS is equal to angle TRS and PRS both are 85 degrees plus 45 degrees, which is equal to 130 degrees. It is angle PTS. Okay, these are the last two lines. Now coming to the third problem. Third and fourth problems, okay. Okay, observe the third problem. Here we are finding angle STR. So observe angle STR. By using triangle TRS, using the angle sum property, we can find out angle T. Otherwise, by taking the linear pair, that is here, it is a RP is a straight line. So at T, sum of those two angles will be equal to 180 degrees. They are forming linear pair. So from that, we will get it is equal to 50 degrees. Just observe that you can do in two ways, no problem. Whatever you are doing, that is your wish. So because RP is a straight line, angle STR plus angle STP, otherwise PTS, will be equal to 180 degrees because they are forming linear pair. Okay, so angle STR we need to find, and angle PTS just before we got, that is 130 degrees, is equal to 180. Then angle STR will be equal to 180 minus 130, which is nothing but 50 degrees. So similarly, go through with the fourth question, that is angle PRQ. So from the figure, it is very clear that angle PRQ plus angle TRS are forming linear pair again because QS is a straight line. Otherwise, angle sum property use the angle sum property for the triangle PQR. Then also we will get angle PRQ. Okay. So from the figure, what I am using, QS is a straight line. Same linear pair only I am using. So angle PRQ plus PRS, angle PRS will be equal to 180 degrees because of a linear pair. So then I am getting angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus PRS. I am getting, I got 85 degrees. So 85 degrees is equal to 180. Then angle PRQ will be equal to 180 minus 85. So therefore, what I will get, 180 minus 80, 100 minus 5 is 95 degrees. That's it. These are the four questions depending on the same triangles. Now coming to the next problem. Example 10, 11. Okay. Show that the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle ABC is 360 degrees. Example 11. Show that the sum of exterior angles of triangle ABC is 360 degrees. We need to prove that statement like angle sum property of triangle and exterior angle property. Here we need to show that three exterior angles sum must be equal to 360 degrees for a triangle we have to show. So just take the triangle ABC. They have mentioned in the question itself for that triangle only. They are given that triangle also. Triangle A, B, C. And A is produced till D, B is produced to till E, D, E, F. Okay. And then they are mentioned the angles, angle 2, here angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 1, angle 6. Observe the given question. Show that the sum of the exterior angles of triangle ABC is 360 degrees. So here what are the exterior angles identify and what are the interior angles of triangle ABC identify first. That is 4, 5, 6. These three angles are lying inside. So interior angles of triangle ABC are 4, 5, 6. And exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. For this question, we need to show that sum of those three angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 360. So required to prove is, so from the figure, from the triangle ABC, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are exterior angles and angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are interior angles. So we need to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 360 degrees. So we need to prove. We need to prove that these sum of these three exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. That is no need to write, just I am telling to you. And we know that sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees by the angle sum property. So therefore, because here three are interior angles, so angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Let it be equation 1 since from the angle sum property. Okay. So now observe the triangle ABC. It is very clear that angle 1 plus 6 is equal to 180 degrees because of linear pair, and this sum also equal to 180 degrees and this sum also equal to 180 degrees. So take all those. From the figure, angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. So for everything is reason is linear pair only. So afterwards we'll write. So let it be equation 2 from the figure. Okay. And 2 plus 4, angle 2 plus angle 4 also equal to 180 degrees. Let it be equation 3. And next Angle 3 plus angle 5 also equal to 180 degrees at B. Let it be equation 4. Since all these are because of linear pair only. Linear pair. All the three are linear pair. Okay, now add equation 2, 3, 4, left side and right side. So, and equation 2 plus equation 3 plus equation 4. By doing so, what we are getting? Angle 1 plus angle 6 at left side for second equation. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is left side of equation 3. Left side of angle 4 is angle 3 plus angle 5. And right side what we have 180 plus 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180. So simplify that and rearrange the angles here. What we need to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 we need to prove, and remaining three angles 4, 5, 6 write together. What we are getting? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 540 degrees. 180 plus 180, 360, 360 plus 180 is 540 degrees. And then from equation 1, sum of these three angles is equal to 180. So substitute here. What are we getting? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees, because those are three interior angles of triangle. So sum of those three angles is equal to 180, which is equal to 540 degrees. So it is from equation 1. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 540 minus 180. That is, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. And that is nothing but sum of the three exterior angles of the triangle is equal to 360 degrees. So therefore, sum of the exterior angles of triangle ABC is 360 degrees. Hence proof. That's all. Okay. So once again observe the given question. We need to prove that the sum of the exterior angles of this triangle is equal to 360 degrees. So for that, whatever they are given the triangle shape, use it. So from the figure it is very clear that angle 4, 5, 6 are interior angles, and by using angle sum property, sum of angle 4, 5 and 6 will be equal to 180 degrees. And angle 1, 2, 3 are exterior angles. According to the question, sum of those three angles we need to show as 360 degrees. So for that, first I am using some angle sum property and giving the value of sum of angle 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 180 degrees. After that, from the figure, exterior angle plus interior angle. By adding those two, we are getting 180 degrees because they are linear pairs. So like that, we are getting three pairs. Angle 1 plus angle 6 is equal to 180, 2 plus 4 equal to 180, 3 plus 5 equal to 180. So by adding those three equations by horizontal method, first left side we are adding, and after that right side. So then what we are getting? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, 5, 6. And we know that angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 180. So substitute here. 540 minus 180 will get 360. So sum of angle 1, 2, 3 equal to 360 degrees. And angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are exterior angles. Thus, we have proved that sum of the exterior angles of triangle ABC is 360 degrees. Okay. Next, coming to example 12. Okay, observe this. Example 12. Find the values of x and y in the following figures. In the following figures. So here first question given like this. A, B, C and D. 50 degrees, x degrees and y degrees. This is 120 degrees. And second question. A, B, C, D, E, F, and here 92 degrees, and these two sides are equal. Here x given, and exterior angle at B, y degrees given. Okay, then we need to find out x and y for these two questions, and this one is very easy, you know very well, because already this type of question we got. Here exterior angle 120 degrees given. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That means 50 plus x is equal to 120. Then x will be equal to 120 minus 50, which is equal to 70 degrees. And here at C they are forming linear pairs. So y will be equal to 60 degrees. We will get. Very simple question. Okay. So observe the first question answer. In triangle ABC, 120 degrees is equal to x plus 50 degrees because of exterior angle property. Okay. So x will be equal to 120 minus 50, which is nothing but 70 degrees. Okay. And y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because they are forming linear pairs. So y will be equal to 180 minus 120, which is nothing but 60 degrees. Directly I am writing. So x, y values we wrote because it is simple question. I am doing directly. Now coming to the second problem. Observe here, they have mentioned that AC is equal to BC. That means angles which are angle A here. CAB is equal to ABC. That means this one also equal to x degrees. Okay. So now it is very clear that here at C these two are vertically opposite angles. That means 92 degrees will get. And y is the exterior angle. To get y value, x plus 92 is equal to y. So first we have to find out x value, then only we are able to get y. By using angle sum property, we will get x value, then y value by using exterior angle property. So in triangle ABC, given that AC is equal to AB. AC, AB are equal sides. Therefore, so with this angle CAB is equal to angle ABC is equal to x degree because of these two sides are equal. Okay. Then at C that is equal to angle ACB equal to 92 degrees because of vertically opposite angle. Angle ACB is equal to 92 degrees because of vertically opposite angles. That's all. Now use the angle sum property. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA or ACB is equal to 180 degrees by using the angle sum property of a triangle. So then I'll get CAB is X, ABC also X, ACB is 92, which is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 92, that is I'll get 88. So from this x is equal to 44 degrees I am getting. Okay. After getting the x value, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees by using the linear pair. That's all. So x plus y is equal to 180 degrees because of linear pair. So then I'll get x value is 44 plus y equal to 180. Then y will be equal to 180 minus 44, which is nothing but y is equal to 136 degrees. That's all. Okay. So remaining questions we will discuss in the next class.